repairing this damaged shingle where the applique piece has been torn off. As you can see, he's just breaking the seal, not being too rough. Doing his best not to lift him above 45 degrees.